Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some so-called health foods that might not be as good for you as you think. We put so much effort into taking care of ourselves, hitting the gym, and being mindful of what we put into our bodies. But sometimes, the marketing around certain foods can be misleading. Don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you, give you the facts, and empower you to make the healthiest choices for your awesome selves. Let's debunk some health food myths. Alright, let's talk granola. This popular breakfast and snack option has been touted as a health food for years, but is it really as good for you as it seems? It sounds super healthy, right? After all, it's often marketed as a wholesome choice, packed with nutrients, and perfect for a balanced diet. Oats, nuts, seeds, all that good stuff. These ingredients are indeed nutritious, providing fiber, protein, and healthy fats that can support your overall health. But here's the catch. Many granola brands on the market are loaded with added sugars, often hiding in the form of honey, maple syrup, or even plain old sugar. These sweeteners can significantly increase the calorie content and lead to spikes in blood sugar levels. And those clusters that look so tempting? They're often held together by unhealthy fats like oil. These fats can add unnecessary calories and may not be the heart-healthy kind you're hoping for. Now, I'm not saying you have to ditch granola altogether. It can still be a part of a healthy diet if you choose wisely and consume it in moderation. But it's crucial to read those nutrition labels carefully. Pay attention to the serving size and the amount of added sugars. Some brands can have as much sugar as a candy bar. Look for low sugar options, ideally with less than 10 grams per serving. This can help you avoid unnecessary sugar intake and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. And choose varieties that are baked, not fried. Baked granola tends to have less unhealthy fats and can be a lighter option. Remember, a healthy breakfast should set you up for a day of energy, not a sugar crash. Pair your granola with fresh fruits, yogurt, or milk to create a balanced meal that will keep you satisfied and energized. If you want to take control of what goes into your granola, consider making your own at home. This way, you can control the amount of sugar and fat and add your favorite healthy ingredients. Homemade granola can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet, giving you the best of both worlds: taste and health. So, next time you reach for that granola, make sure it's a choice that truly supports your well-being. Yogurt can be a fantastic source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. But, and this is a big but, many flavored yogurts are packed with added sugars. We're talking upwards of 20 grams of sugar per serving, which is like eating a couple of cookies. And it's not just the added sugar that's a concern. Artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors are often lurking in those little cups. So, what's a health-conscious yogurt lover to do? Opt for plain yogurt. It's a blank canvas for flavor. Add some fresh fruit for natural sweetness, a drizzle of honey for a touch of indulgence, or some nuts and seeds for a satisfying crunch. Agave. The not-so-sweet truth. Agave nectar has gained popularity as a natural sweetener, but don't let the natural label fool you. Many people believe that because it comes from a plant, it must be healthier than other sweeteners. However, the reality is more complicated. While it's derived from the agave plant, the processing it undergoes strips away most of its nutritional value. The agave plant itself is rich in inulin, a type of fiber, but the final product you get in the bottle is far from its original form. What you're left with is a highly concentrated sweetener that's actually higher in fructose than high fructose corn syrup. Fructose is a type of sugar that can be particularly harmful when consumed in large amounts. Unlike glucose, which is used by every cell in your body, fructose is metabolized primarily by your liver. Excessive fructose consumption has been linked to a bunch of health problems, including fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. When your liver gets overloaded with fructose, it starts converting it into fat, which can lead to fatty liver disease. Over time, this can contribute to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to manage blood sugar levels. So, when it comes to agave, moderation is key. Using a small amount occasionally is unlikely to cause harm, but relying on it as your go-to sweetener can be problematic. It's important to be mindful of how much you're consuming and to consider the overall balance of your diet. And remember, there are plenty of other natural sweeteners out there, like stevia or monk fruit, that have a lower impact on blood sugar levels. These alternatives can be a better choice for those looking to manage their sugar intake without sacrificing sweetness. Always do your research and choose the option that best fits your health needs and lifestyle. Veggie chips. Don't be fooled by the name. Veggie chips. They sound healthy, right? I mean, they're made from vegetables, so they must be good for you, right? Well, not so fast. While veggie chips might contain some vegetable powder, they're often processed, fried, and loaded with just as much fat, sodium, and calories as regular potato chips. And let's not forget about the added flavors and preservatives that can come along for the ride. If you're craving a crunchy snack, opt for real vegetables instead. Carrot sticks, celery, bell peppers, these are all delicious, nutritious, and way more satisfying than a bag of processed veggie chips. Protein bars, convenience or candy bars in disguise. Protein bars can seem like a convenient way to fuel up after a workout or get a quick protein boost on the go. They are marketed as the perfect solution for busy lifestyles, promising to deliver essential nutrients in a compact, easy-to-carry form. Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, or simply need a quick snack, protein bars seem to be the go-to option for many. But hold on a second. Many protein bars are packed with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients, making them more like glorified candy bars than health foods. It's easy to be misled by the packaging and marketing claims, but a closer look at the ingredients list often reveals a different story. Some bars contain as much sugar as a regular candy bar, which can negate the benefits of the protein they provide. And those protein claims? While some protein bars do contain a decent amount of protein, it's important to remember that whole food sources of protein, like lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils, are always the better option. Whole foods not only provide protein, but also come with a host of other nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for overall health. Preparing meals with these ingredients ensures you're getting a balanced intake of nutrients without the added sugars and artificial ingredients found in many protein bars. So, before you reach for that protein bar, take a look at the ingredients list and nutrition label. Check for the amount of sugar, the type of fats, and any artificial additives. It's crucial to be an informed consumer and not just rely on the marketing claims plastered on the front of the packaging. Understanding what you're putting into your body can help you make healthier choices. If it's loaded with sugar and questionable ingredients, it's best to leave it on the shelf. Instead, consider preparing your own snacks using whole food ingredients. Homemade protein bars or snacks made from nuts, seeds, and dried fruits can be a healthier alternative. They allow you to control the ingredients and avoid the pitfalls of added sugars and unhealthy fats. Remember, convenience should never come at the cost of your health. making mindful choices can lead to better long-term health outcomes. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and information. Remember, being healthy isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed choices that nourish your body and make you feel your best. See you next time.